Right inside structure of array, first your array name, after that index, and then after that element. Okay. Array name, index, and then element. Now you will write below. Our array name is called item. Inside the item on 0 position index, you will get the apple. On 1 position index, 2 position index, 3, 4th, and many more. So on 1, there will be something else. On 2, there will be something else. 3 will be something else. 4 will be something else. Correct? Apple. Then second is called Bangalore. Third is called mango. Fourth is called 600. And the fifth is called 900. Okay. So you saw inside the same variable, item variable, 5 values are stored. 5 values are stored, and all the value have a certain position, certain index level it is stored. We can see now item is the name of the array. 0, 1, 2, 3 is called the index. Apple, Bangalore, Mumbai, something, something we have written mango, 600, 900, it's called a element. So in the term of array, you have the term called index means position of your variable, position of your value, and element means value. What is your data and where it is stored, that is called the index, and what is the value, that is called the element. Right? Next, after that, you can see inside the item, the first value is stored on 0 position. If the value is stored on 0 position, first value, the last value will be length minus 1 position. Since we have total 5 elements, it should be 1 to 5. But since it is starting from 0, so it will be 0 to 4, length minus 1. Your last value will be length minus 1 position, array length minus 1 position. Suppose array length is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, anything. Your last value will be length minus 1 position. Now come down and print here. How to print the element of the array? First, how to print the length of the array? Console.log item.length. Call array.length. Item.length. It's called array.length. Item.length. Save the file, sequence. Item.length is showing anything? Yes, because total elements are 5 inside your array. Inside your array, total number of elements are 5. So it will say 5 only. Space. Is saying 5. Okay, 5. Now let us print the first element of the array. Console.log. Okay, item of 0 position. Item of 0 position. Check now. It will print with the first value. First element, that is called apple. Second one, item dot length. Inside the item, you have to pass the item dot length. So how many it will come? 5. 5 minus 1 will give us a 4. So whether your array is always increasing or decreasing, you are adding and deleting the value no matter. Whenever you run this 2 line, right, it will give you the first element and it will give you the last element. Whether how many elements are inside array no matter, it will give you the first and last. But there must be some value. Okay, it should not be array is empty and you are trying to access. So for empty, what it will give? It will not give anything. Hmm? 900. The last value is 900, so 900 will come. Apple and 900. Apple is the 0 element and 900 is the last element. Now suppose inside a array, you have 20,000 elements. 20,000 values are there. How to print all 20,000 values? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep printing today and your console.log will finish after 3 months. Correct? Programming language says you cannot do like that. Right? You cannot do like that. It should be dynamic. That is the meaning of programming. Okay? Your task is to do console.log, but how long you will do? Right? You have a limitation. So instead of doing manually, give your work to some computer that is faster than you. So we will give this task to operating system, saying like what to do. I have an array. Inside there is a 25,000 element. Follow this code and according to my code, you execute and read and display. Operating system will say, don't worry, it will not take even millisecond also. Okay? It's made by you only, but I'm faster than you. Who has made the OS? Human only, no? Human has made the OS, right? And OS is faster than human. Sometimes we feel like operating system is slow. You feel or not? You feel operating system is slow? Your system is slow? You never feel. You click on button, it will say, please wait loading. What is that? It's a slow only, no? Slower than you. Correct? Then Intel is sitting just next to us. Intel asks the people, do you feel your OS is slow? People will say very slow, yeah. After clicking, it will say go and come. Then which one you are using? Then we say I'm using particular. Again, they will keep survey of the people from multiple source. Okay, and they'll get to know this OS is best demanded. This motherboard is, this processor is very good. Is for the public need. But still people want little more enhancement. Right? Because of that, they have put a board saying like, we are making for you tomorrow. We are making for you tomorrow. No, not making for you tomorrow. Something. What is that slogan? We are making for tomorrow. Huh? We are making for tomorrow. Like you don't know what OS will come tomorrow. What kind of processor will come tomorrow. Okay. So let's come now and write a loop. You have seen already for loop, right? Based on for loop, we will write some code and we will ask the OS, please follow me, please follow my code and help me out. Read the element from the array and display inside the page. Okay, instead of doing console.log 0, 1, 2, 3, now write here a console.log right here using for loop. Using for loop. Using for loop. Come down below and write here call. Okay, using for loop. You will write here. You will write here a for where I equal to 0. Why not 1? Because our value is starting from 0. If you start from 1, then you will not see what is the first value. Okay, you will not see the first value. Right after that, what is your array name? Array name is called item dot length. Right after that, since you are starting from 0, you have to do the increment. Come inside the page. Console.log you can write the for say item of I. The for say item of I. Item of I. Right? The for say item of I. Check now. See how it is. I equal to 0, I less than item dot length I plus plus console.log the for say item of I. Inside the item, we have lot of element. In that element, we are saying item of I. Means under the item array on I position, there is a value, take that and print. Which one? For say is inside double quote. Don't give here equal to. I equal to 0, I less than only. Not less than equal to. If you give less than equal to, then there will be error. Written. So where to where? All the values 0 to 9. 0 to length minus 1. Say. For says Apple, Bangalore, Mumbai. So not Mumbai, Mango. Mango 600 and 900. A string number no matter. For will read inside your item and whichever the value will come in the particular position, it will get printed. How it is working? I will start from 0 and I has to go item dot length. What is the length of the item? 5, 6, 7, anything. Then after that, plus plus by 1. Once it will come at this point, what will happen? I will carry the first time 0. Second time carry, I will carry the 1. Then 2, then 3, then 4. After that, what will happen? Here I less than equal to 5. right? I will also become 5 and this will also become 5. It will say sorry, yeah. Right? It will come out from the loop. If you give I less than equal to, it will become a undefined in the last. So while reading the element from array, you will not give counter less than equal to, always counter less than only, no equal to. If you apply equal to here, you can try, see what problem is. Yes, everyone can check what is coming if you write equal to. So hopefully last you got undefined or says undefined. We will remember it, will not apply the equal to here. Okay. Okay. Coming next. Leave this file and we'll go for another file. There we will try to read the data from array using other listing function also. For loop we saw we have one map function and we have one for each. Using that we'll see how we can read the data from array. Okay, so create next file array2.js. Array2.js. Okay, array2.js. In array2.js file, create a variable city equal to store some city name. Store some city name. Mumbai. Okay. So I kept some city inside the array. Right. Come down. Write the for loop. Here I equal to 0 again. I less than city and then I plus plus. Not city dot length. City dot length and then I plus plus. Console dot log. Console dot log. city of I. City of I. In descending order. In descending order. Check now, it is printing list of all the city. Okay. Next, after this, we'll print the for loop in descending order. For where I equal to descending order means you need to print from the last, not from the beginning. So I equal to array dot length. Array dot length minus 1. So here what will be the value of I? Okay. What will be the value of I? नहीं देखो अब यहाँ में I equal to city dot length minus 1. So how many city you have? 6, right? 6 city we have. 6 minus 1, 5. So value of I will be 5. Now look inside the array on 5th position. What is the value? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. College Mumbai. That meaning you are trying to print the first element from where? Last. So next condition will come I greater than equal to 0. I greater than equal to 0 because your first element is available on 0 position. You are starting from where? Last. And you have to come till 0. Okay. If suppose if I remove this I greater than 0, it will not print the 0 position element. It will come back from the 1 itself. It will not reach till 0. So we are saying I greater than equal to 0. Correct? Go till when I should not become as a 0. Okay, till that time keep running the loop. And then after that what to do? I minus minus. You are starting from higher number. You are starting from the 5. You have to go till 0. So you have to minus it. Okay, you have to minus it. City of I. Check once. It will print you from the last. Printing from last value will get first output because the position of I we have given last, and then we are doing minus minus is goes like this. Okay, last value is here. Now you write the next. How we can print the same value using another function we have called map function. Map function. So write console.log. Using map function. Okay, now write the first map function, how it work. Array.map. Array.map. Array name is city dot map. City dot map. Two times you have to open close the function. The function symbol should come two times. Dot map. Now map function, what it do? Let me copy this array from here and paste again. Okay. So the map function will call itself. Map function will call itself automatically till the number of element inside the array. So how many element inside the array? 6 or 5 or 7, anything. So this map function will be calling itself automatically 6 times till the number of element you have inside the array. Now suppose when it will call first time, what it will do? When the map function will call first time, what it will do? From city array, it will take the first element, Bangalore, and this element will split into two parts. One is called value and another one is called index. Value and index. Then you will ask what will come inside the value. Value will come as a Bangalore and index will come as a 0. Index will hold the position. So Bangalore is where? It's available on 0 position. So index will hold the 0 and the value will hold the element. That is called Bangalore. Again, second time map function will call. Now map function will read the second element and it will split it into two parts. Value and index. Value will go to the value and index will go to the index. Again, it will call third time. Chennai will come in the picture. Chennai will go to the value and the position of Chennai will go to the index. Next time Delhi will come. Delhi will go to the value and position of Delhi will go to the index. And this call will happen of map function automatically till the number of element inside your array. So inside the array we have total, assume 10 element. So the map function will call automatically to itself 10 times. and every time it will read one element and split into two parts. Read the element, split into two parts. Read the element, split into two parts. Come next. After this, what we will do? Fat function you have seen before. Fat arrow. Now you will write here arrow key, and under this arrow key, we can write console.log. The index check once 0 1 2 3 4 is printing or not. Printing all the index. 0 1 2 3 it will print. Now instead of index, print the value. It will print you all the value, all the city name. URL I sent you yesterday in your YouTube, this one group. In that YouTube channel, 900 videos are there. How many video? 900 video. Okay. That meaning in last 1 year, I have taken nearly 900 classes. Okay. Those all are the video of last 1 year. Because in last 1 year, total classes are 900 classes. 900 into 150 hours, you can say that many hours I have spoken in last 1 year. Values will print now. I have made some more content, especially for JavaScript, but once the 1,000 people will reach, then I'll make that public. JavaScript for professional content, small example. Java classes trainers are very non-stable people actually. Okay, non-stable people. I have requested to many people, please take at least 4 or 5 people are there, finish their class. Saying, give me time, give few days time. One person who was taking the class, he stay next to my building. Okay, next to my house he stay. Right, he's very good. He worked for the HSBC 10 plus years. He was taking the class here. Saying, sir, office has given so much of work. I'm not able to take my kid and drop into the school. Someone else is taking such a big, this much of work there. Once he's getting finished, I will start. Then giving time. Okay, printed value and index. Now come, we can print both. So first print the index. First print the index, comma, double quote value, write something like this. So in between some space will be there. Index will print first and value will second next. Index plus value, index plus value. Now it's printing position and value using map function, right? So people ask in interview how map function works and what is the map function. You can say map is a listing function of JavaScript function. Map is a listing function of JavaScript. What is a map? Map is a list function of JavaScript. It used to read the data from the array. Especially it is used to read the data from the array. Map function will read each element and it will split into two parts, element and position. Element and position. First parameter is called element and second parameter is called as a position. Map function will call automatically itself n number of time till the number of elements are available inside the array. We don't have to call it manually. Okay? This is the one way to write the function. Let me guide you how you can write the map function using some other way also. Come down. Map second method. Map second method. So we can write here city.map you will keep a function inside and under the function first try like this. City.map inside you open a function and this function will have their own curly bracket. This function will have their own curly bracket. Written. Now from the map, the element will go to the function. First will be called as a value and second will be called as a index. Value and index. Now come inside and write here console.log console.log index comma sometime you may need only index, not only index, you will have a need of value and along with that you will have a need of index also. You can use both. Right? Save it and check once. Printing. Second method also using the function. Come down below, write in the same file how we can read the data from the array using the for each. For each. Using for each. E will be capital. Right, come down. Write again city dot for each. E will be capital. This will also be like as a map only. Only the for each keyword will be different. Remaining everything like as a map. Value, comma, index. Value, comma, index. Written console.log index also. For each say okay, done. Check now again. Printing. Same value. So which functionality you will do through the for loop, for each, same thing you can do through the for each also. Through the map, what you are doing, same thing you can do through the for each also. But in React, your for each will not work. In React, people use JSX, and under the JSX, you have to use only the map function. Come down. For each second method. Same like the map you are written here, no? Function keyword. You can copy this set of map line. Right, using the for each second method. So for city dot for each. City dot for each. Same thing in print. It will give the similar output. Okay, working. Okay, working. Then we can see the next one. It's a useful function. For each map, all are useful function. Now suppose sometime there will be need saying like index is not required. In your program, suppose you have such requirement, you can use the map or for each, but the requirement is there is no need of the index. Then is there any other way of writing the map and for each? We have one way we can write it down. Okay. Map and for each without index. Without index. Come down, write map, city dot map directly, city dot map. Only one function we will write, function symbol. Inside you will have again value. And then at arrow, and you can print here directly console.log value. Okay, so what is happening in this example? In this example, it is happening like you have not used the double function symbol, only one function symbol you have used, and from the city, directly value will go to the value. Your index will, element will go to the value. From city, directly it will go to the value. From city, directly it will go to the value. Printing only value. Okay. Sure. Revision is required little. See, on printing. Same thing you can do through the for each also. Just instead of map for H, E will be capital. Will print in the same way. You require to attend the regular class. Okay, whoever are missing or doing bunking here there will be difficult. So suggestion is attend regular class. Okay. Next class onwards, more complexity will come. Next class onwards, more complexity will come. So if you are regular, will be helpful. So till yesterday, all the videos are available in the playlist. You can follow that. Today we'll upload and we'll guide you. See you tomorrow again.